Yo, Ryan over at Field Van. So today we have a really special van in that one of our customers lent us to do this video. Most of our customers are falling into some of our core models, core floor plans, fits most people's needs. And we have and always will be a full custom van shop. He does a lot of tailgating, does some real specific things, and wanted some really specific features. So he worked with one of our designers, top to bottom, designed the entire floor plan, and a lot of cool features which we're gonna go over in just a second. So we have our flip down here, which we do quite a bit to do hors d'oeuvres and things, but there are 2 refrigerators in this van. So an interior refrigerator for food. We also have a small door accessible refrigerator for special beverages. You also have a opening here. So this cabinet opens up where I can get to my plates, my serving trays, things I want to use for hors d'oeuvres, really accessible from outside. This van has propane, but the propane, there's a hookup underneath. And that is entirely to hook up a barbecue outside. So he has an entire propane tank dedicated just to his exterior barbecue, again, specifically for tailgating. Up top, we have a custom Aluminess rack. That rack has raised crossbars on it, which he can mount an exterior tent to. So when he does have more than just him and his wife, some extra family members or friends, you put the exterior tent up top, you're sleeping 4 people, no problem. So all of our vans have an exterior water connection. We purposely make this connection require pressure so that someone can't just pour something into your water tank without you knowing it. But he wanted to be able to easily fill the water tank using a water jug while camping from the outside. So this also has a manual fill on the outside, which is a feature we normally put on the inside. But when you know what you want, you know what you want. Moving around the front, he did a keyless entry pad. So that way if you're at the game and your kid wants to go get in the van, but you don't want the kid to start the van or drive the van away, they can get in the van using the keyless entry pad without having to have a key. Also really good for people who do water sports. You're out kayaking, you're out surfing, you don't want that key in your pocket. I can enter the van just knowing the code, which is a really nice feature. So even if you're tailgating or camping, you gotta have some cool accessories on this van. So we got our CA Tune bumper. We have our winch if we do get into trouble. You have your Baja Design LP6 lights on the front to light the way on a dusty trail. We did also Raptor line the entire hood and the grill in this one as well. So that just really protects it from rock dings and chips. It's also awesome when this gets covered in bugs, you just hose it off. Bugs don't stick to the Raptor liner, which is really nice. And this van is gorgeous. So you're starting up here in this van with a really nice hangout area. 2 people can sit here, lounge, have a conversation, swivel the front seats, and all be together if it's bad weather. As we move down, we have a nice big counter, big kitchen area. We talked about this van having 2 refrigerators. So here's the main refrigerator. The other one, of course, being for your beverages. Built-in induction stove, anything we need to cook a full meal here, but also work with our tailgating needs. As I'm moving back, we do have a full bath, so full shower and bathroom in this van. And then we move into a very custom bed area. So real specific needs in this. They wanted to be able to sleep somewhat separately, but for the main reason that you can easily, if one person's sleeping here and one on this side, you can easily get up, swing your legs to the middle, and use the restroom in the middle of the night without bothering the other person. This also folds together and becomes one big bed as well if you want it to be. Another really custom thing he wanted is he wanted to be able to access the items underneath in the storage area that we looked at earlier from the inside. So this is a very simple hinged flip up, which allows us to get to that really easily from inside the van without having to get out. Third benefit of this, mentioned that he's a tailgater. If it's a little bit cold outside before the game, we're hanging out inside. Beautiful space, 5 or 6 people can sit around here. Or if it's really hot, we have our roof mounted air conditioning unit, 12 volt AC, 600 amp hours of lithium, so we can run AC for a while and cool everybody down. Really suit any need you can think of for both camping and tailgating in this van. All right, so another cool feature, which this is one of the first vans we did in, is these new dimmable light switches. It's like I'm in a high-end Vegas hotel. All I do is touch the light, turns it off, tap it again, turns it on. If I hold my hand over this, it'll dim the lights down. I joke with my kids about this because they're Star Wars fans. It's like using the Force. I don't even have to touch it. I just put my hand by it and it will dim my lights down and turn my lights back on. So very cool feature, really sleek and modern, and now a standard feature in all of our vans. All right, so that is the wrap on this van. Very special van, custom range series. If you have custom needs, want to design a floor plan, have certain things you really want in a van, give us a call. We make the dream happen.